Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. This is Carol Brown Hill coming to you live from Bristol, Virginia, USA. And I have got a superb offer for you. You see, I started with this company mid-January or so, and I've already ranked up twice in this little bit of time. This company is a billion-dollar company, and they got that way with their very first product, which I'll tell you about if you inbox me. However, now they have added another one. And this product line is on schedule and poised to outdo the other. Remember, I told you it turned them into a billion-dollar company with just the previous product. Right now, I'm on a select group team, if you will, of people who, from my understanding, our team is outselling everyone else for this company. This product is on fire, guys. This is something so many people want, need, can't seem to find or work, for them. We have a huge golden nugget. And this golden nugget can be yours. I am actually at liberty at the moment to add a few more people into this elite group. And with this elite group, we also have a funnel, and it's not just any other funnel. You can usually make funnels on your own, or, spend $100 or $200, have someone make one for you. Well, let me tell you, this funnel, if we were to sell it to someone, is worth $3,000. The funnel itself is a gold mine. This company, this product, is one of the rarest opportunities that you will come across. Remember when Sears or Amazon or eBay, all those companies started up? Heck, even when Facebook did. If you had gotten in on these companies at that time, where would you be sitting today? This is the same scenario, guys. So if you are at all the least bit interested in knowing more facts, more details, so that you can make a proper, educated, and professional decision, just inbox me, and I'll be happy to talk to you about any questions you have. Because this is, guys, this is an opportunity of a lifetime. And I would urge you to get in touch with me and at least ask me some questions. Don't let this pass you by. This is too good, too unheard of, ground floor, top selling team, a funnel that's going to do most of all the work for you. You can't lose. They're going nowhere but up. And they will go up because they're already seeing that compared to their other product. So anyway, inbox me, guys. I'm here to talk whenever you want. Thanks, and God bless. I'll talk to you soon, I do hope. Bye for now.